Let's talk about this with our chief legal analyst, Dan Abrams. Let's start with that lawsuit right there. So the president now facing lawsuits on three fronts, all on the same issue, from a civil rights group and businesses in New York and D.C., from those attorneys generals in Maryland and D.C., and now these members of Congress. Which one actually has the best chance of moving through the courts?
Well, I think the big question is, where is the harm? Meaning, which one of these lawsuits has the best chance of saying the people who are suing have actually been hurt as a result of this argument that the president is somehow benefiting personally from this activity. So I think that likely the answer would probably be the Maryland, D.C. Case. But look, none of these are easy. This is a whole new area of law. And this issue of sort of showing standing, which is this question of who can sue, is going to be a difficult question, I think, in any of these lawsuits.
And the real vulnerability for the president, even if these lawsuits don't go all the way or don't reach a final judgment against him, the idea that in discovery, his tax returns will be
right, because, see, the first question becomes, does a judge allow the case to move forward at all? And if the answer to that is yes, meaning, as you point out, discovery, that would allow the plaintiffs to get access to relevant information. And part of that relevant information could be his tax returns, which you've got to believe that in some of these cases, the goal here may be, we don't really think we're going to win this emoluments case, but boy, if we could get access to his tax returns, that in and of itself could be a big win for them.
Senate Intelligence Committee made it pretty clear yesterday they're not done with Attorney General Jeff Sessions. He wouldn't answer so many of those questions, saying basically, I don't want to answer, but he didn't go all the way to claim that executive privilege.
Well, again, executive privilege is something for the president to claim. And yet the Attorney General seems to be saying, I can't answer these questions because the president might invoke executive privilege at a later date, but that means there's an open question. The president either has to invoke it or not.
Dan Abrams, thanks very much.